Hello everyone, this is Halil from Komman Machinery. Today I will present you our new model Monster XL-4200. As the best carpet washing manufacturer in the whole world, we try to offer you the best machine, the best carpet washing machine in the sector. Our machine has a compact design, so thanks to this system, the machine will fit into all type of the containers and all type of the trucks. Right now, I want to explain the brushes on the machines. First of all, I want to explain and I want to tell you about the bottom cleaning brush. Bottom cleaning brush will clean the pet hairs and other unfamiliar objects from the bottom clean of the carpet. And then, right now, I started the belt. First 4 brushes, second 4 brushes, and after that I want to show you the water and the detergent. Water will come from these pre-wetting nozzles, and shampoo also will come from the brushes. And the trolley will go to the left and the right. If your carpet is small, you can arrange the sensors also. And after that, after these brushes, I want to tell you about the helical medium brush. Helical medium brush will also clean the unfamiliar objects and other hairs from inside of the carpet. It will clean to the left, it will throw to the right, and your carpet completely will be cleaned. And right now I want to tell you about the back of the machine. Let's watch it together. After the explanation of the front of the machine, right now we will explain the back of the machine. The rinsing system will clean the remaining shampoo and the other hair piles from surface of the carpet. And right now, let's watch it together how our machine washes a carpet.
Несомненно, Komman производит самое лучшее оборудование во всем мире.
Şüphesiz ki dünyanın en iyi halı yıkama makineleri üreticisi biziz.
افضل ماكينه بالشرق الاوسط شركه كومون ماكينه.
We are the best carpet washing machine manufacturer in the whole world, without doubt. Goodbye.